the United Kingdom in early planning stages for a so-called sixth generation of fighter jets. The jets won't fly until the 2030, but governments around the world are already exploring designs. Fifth generation fighters were different from their fourth generation predecessors by incorporating stealth directly into the designs of aircraft, resulting in sleeker planes that carry weapons internally and have a reduced radar signature. The downside is while fifth general jets are capable of carrying fuel and weapons externally, doing so breaks their carefully designed stealth characteristics. Other features of fifth generation fighters include active electronic scanning array radars and engines powerful enough to cruise above the speed of sound without afterburners. The feature set for sixth generation fighters hasn't yet been nailed down, but longer range and payload are emerging as two key requirements. Artificial intelligence will likely play a role, sorting data and analyzing threats to reduce the pilot's workload. Optional manning is another likely feature, with the ability to fly fighters remotely. On the other edge of the manning spectrum, two-seat fighters will probably evolve into something new. While backseaters, used to control the jet's radar, their modern counterparts will likely control and orchestrate swarms of unmanned aerial vehicles. The UK's Future Combat Air System FCAS will replace the Eurofighter Typhoon starting in 2040. FCAS might be an unmanned aerial vehicle. The UK has been quietly testing the Taranis combat drone since 2012. And like current drones, Taranis is being developed to attack aerial targets in addition to ground targets. Unmanned is an option for FCAS, but the UK Ministry of Defence has admitted the programme could still result in a manned fighter.